Today we're going to show you how to store your motorcycle gear for winter. First step is to clean the entire helmet using any damp cloth. Dry the helmet using a microfiber cloth. Second step is to remove the removable lining. That includes the cheek pads. With the cheek pads removed, we'll now remove the liner. Next step is to hand wash the liner and the cheek pads and check for any wear and tear. If the pads are too worn, we recommend replacing them. The next step is to remove the visor. Check the visor for any bad scratching or for cracks. And then you simply use helmet visor specific cleaner, in this case it's a Moto, to remove any small debris that's still left on the visor. Again, using a microfiber cloth, just wipe the inside of the visor carefully. If your visor is not able to receive a pin lock, you'll find that it fogs, especially during cold weather. A little trick that you can do at home is to mix ordinary toothpaste with an equal amount of ordinary shampoo. Then you take this mixture and you apply it to the inside of the visor. The next step is to simply clean it using a microfiber cloth. Once you've removed the mixture, you can do a little home test to see if it worked. Perfect. Once you've cleaned all the components, it's best to completely reinstall them, reinstall the liner, reinstall the visor securely, and then put it safely inside a bag for storage until spring.